Looking for healthy appetizer ideas to start your meal, right? Well, appetizers set the stage for the main course. Choosing healthy options not only satisfies your taste buds, but also contributes to overall well-being. Stay tuned to discover 10 appetizing, healthy appetizers that will leave you wanting more. Kickstarting our list is the refreshing Greek salad skewers. These are a burst of Mediterranean flavors with fresh cucumber, ripe cherry tomatoes, tangy olives, and feta cheese. Not only are they light and tasty, but they're also packed with antioxidants. Next up, we have smoked salmon cucumber bites. This is a protein-rich appetizer that also provides omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. The cucumber base gives it a fresh crunch, contrasting beautifully with the soft, smoky salmon. Mini avocado toasts are our third appetizer. These bite-sized delights are a fantastic source of healthy fats from the avocado, and the whole grain bread provides much-needed fiber. Fourth on our list are grilled vegetable skewers. These are a rainbow of nutrients, with each vegetable offering a unique set of vitamins and minerals. They're easy to prepare and a great way to encourage more vegetable consumption. Lastly, we have chickpea pancakes. These are a protein-packed, vegan-friendly option that's also gluten-free. They can be topped with a variety of fresh veggies or dips for added flavor. These choices are not only delightful, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body. Our list continues with more tantalizing options. Let's dive right into a crowd pleaser, spinach and artichoke stuffed mushrooms. These bite-sized delights are packed with nutrients from spinach and artichokes, and the mushrooms provide a satisfying umami flavor. Next, we have quinoa salad cups. These are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. They're light, refreshing, and perfect for a summer get-together. Taking a turn towards the east, vegan spring rolls are on the menu. Filled with fresh veggies and herbs, they're a crunchy, low-calorie treat that's bursting with flavor. Our fourth appetizer is baked sweet potato fries. These are a healthier alternative to regular fries, offering a sweet taste and a hearty dose of vitamin A. Lastly, we have tomato bruschetta. This Italian classic combines ripe tomatoes, fresh basil and garlic on a crunchy crostini. It's simple yet delicious and full of antioxidants, and these appetizers are sure to make a statement at your next meal with their vibrant flavors and healthful ingredients. There you have it, 10 healthy appetizers to kickstart your meals. From protein-packed hummus to fiber-rich bruschetta, we've covered a variety of options to nourish your body. Opting for these appetizers not only satiates your taste buds, but also sets the tone for a healthy meal. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. For more appetizing ideas, check out our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and share the love of healthy eating with your friends and family.